This video will show you how to sign up for an appointment using Canvas's online scheduler. So what we can do to see the appointments in Canvas is we need to go to Calendar. Okay. All right, now that we're in Calendar, up here at the top it has a button that says Scheduler. If we click on that, that'll show appointments that you can sign up for. So this says in-person meeting times or office hours, and it says that I can sign up for this. So I'm going to click on that and see what appointment times are available. All right, so let's scroll down here. See, some of these things are just due dates that it's showing because of the calendar. And then it has these time slots that are available here, one available, one available. So if I want to sign up for an appointment at 8:30 a.m., I click on that. And I can put a comment here. So maybe I want to say, what I want to talk about during the appointment. And I click reserve. And now it will show that I've signed up for this time period. And it shows as reserved on the calendar. If I realize that I signed up for a time that is not going to work out for me, maybe I couldn't get a babysitter, I can just go back here and click unreserve to take that right out of the schedule. Okay. If you look, this is set up for 10-minute slots, and it's set up to where you can sign up for more than one slot of time. If you're actually wanting to work on a revision of a paper, 10 minutes might not be enough. So feel free to sign up for 2 or 3 different time slots. Or if you're having trouble with that, you can always just email your instructor and let me know what I can do for you. Thanks very much.